Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today we're here at VVS Finance and we're going to be looking at mines. The glitter mines specifically. Let's go look at the mines. Not the mines of Moria. Alright, so we have this stake in FER and it's, oh no, it's gone. Oh no, panic! Panic, where'd my fur go? Oh wait, hold on. Don't panic. It's right here, under finished. Alright? Now we had this problem before with a couple other ones. So, we know now how to handle this. So what we want to do first here is we want to unstake everything out of the mine. Okay? Get all our money back. All 56 bucks, hopefully, and we'll see how congested the network is. I predict it's not very congested, and it's only going to cost 0.72 Crow. Now, Crow is about 15 cents right now, so it's not a bad deal. Alright, doesn't cost much. And the fare that I made, about 6 bucks worth, more than pays for all the staking that I had to do to get into this glitter mine. Now, you see, this is one of the big complaints I have. The thing is congested. Give me a break. Okay? I don't buy it. They just want to extract more from us. Okay? They want to extract more Crow. Now, you can see the Crow transaction just went up. I already paid 0.7 Crow, and I got another pay at 0.8 Crow. This is what really frustrates me with VVS Finance sometimes, guys, okay? Okay. Relax. Okay, it's not a big deal. And it worked this time. So, that's good. So, okay, now let's go back to the dashboard and we can see now we have some XVVS that is not staked yet. Well, interesting. So what are we going to do next? What do you guys think we should do? Well, we should probably stake it, right? We don't want that $56 just sitting around. Alright, auto VVS. 10%? Nah. What else you got? 10%, 9.5%? That's horrible. 36% for Argo. Not bad. Alright. Let's see how long we have left. We only have 18 days left there. So, that's a no-go for me. Oh, and that's all the options. I thought there was more. I guess that's all they have right now. So, alright. Well, since that's all the mines they have, let's go check out the farms. What's down on the farm here we can stake up. Alright, 17%, 20%. Crow VVS, okay. That's pretty good, and I already have something in there. Earning. So, oh, I'll get 10 bucks there. Wow, look at that. I should probably harvest that here pretty soon. It's getting to the point where it's probably worth harvesting. Let's do that right in here since we're here. Alright, it's going to cost 1 Crow. Oh, for $10, I guess I can sacrifice 15 cents to get $10 back into action. While that thinks about it, let's keep going. Well, these rates are very unimpressive, guys. Man, these rates used to be a whole lot better. 3%? 4%? Come on. Okay, there's Argo USDC. That's pretty decent. Hey, look, it worked. Got sent to the wallet first try. That's awesome. Crow and... Alright, that's 63%. And Single token, 50%. Alright, well, it's not bad, I guess. But I don't want to do any of that. So I'm going to go to XVVS and 13%? Wow, that's pretty pathetic. Let's go to the vault and see what kind of staking terms they have here. Now, the rates used to be a lot better, but with the collapse of crypto, not looking so good. So, yeah. Anyway. Okay, for 6 months you get 100% return. Well, that seems pretty good. For 4 years? Wait a second. That doesn't seem right. Oh, okay, that's just how much I have staked in there. Never mind. Alright, so what we want to do is we want to deposit, I guess. And look at this. We have 14%, 18%, 28%, and 104%. Wow. That is poor. Okay, so there are no really good staking options here currently at VVS Finance. Sorry to say, guys, but that what I have, I'm just going to keep in unstaked. It's just going to be floating in my wallet. I'm just going to let it sit there until we get some better rates. And hopefully that'll be soon. They have a new IGO coming out that I am not participating in because I did not meet the staking requirements for this one. Now, if you guys are planning to participate in this, hopefully you have the staking requirement completed by now, since it's already going to happen. Alright, here's the staking requirements. By the 6th, which was a few days ago. Alright. And, yeah, it's going to start here in a couple hours, which I'm not involved. So, anyway. Alright, guys. What do you guys think of this new token, which I've done zero research on? And it doesn't even look like I can participate anyway, because I didn't meet the qualification. So, let's go back to the dashboard, and you guys make sure you join and subscribe the channel to see what we do next here at VVS Finance and other crypto. Thanks for watching.